Hello everyone. For bold your text, first add 2 and write your text and again add 2. Tap on send. As you see, our word become bold. For italic, first add 2 underline, write your text, again add 2 underline and tap on send. For structure, first add 2 tilde, write your text, again 2 tilde and tap on send. As you see, our word becomes structural. For spoiler, first add 2 vertical bar, write your text and 2 vertical bar again. As you see, our word have a spoiler. For quote, add 3 back quote and write your text. Again, tap on 3 back quote and tap on send. As you see, our word send like a quote. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.